channel. It is the end of January and I'm going to do a quick plot tour because this year I want to do month by month. I never quite managed to do month by month tours, so this year I'm going to try and do it. Even though this is the end of January, it still pretty much looks the same as November and December. Oh, let's take my glove off. Let's show you around. We have Casper. Hello. Hello, Casper. That's the view from my window. I'm going to have to get some corn. Like the chickens are going to just be noisy. So it's just started raining. Let's see if it's going to stop. So as you can see, I still haven't got the wood chip for the chicken run. It's really soggy, but they've just started laying again. This was the first year that I've had chickens stop laying over winter, and I'm pretty sure it's because I've got no wood chip on the floor because it's that soggy. While I'm in here, I'm going to show you something. This is my spare spider plant. It's a house plant. I've just kept it in the shed at the allotment just to see how it survives because I've got loads and it's already starting to make babies. It's not very green, but neither is the ones I've got at home at the moment. So this is my little experiment. It's surviving at the moment in January 2021. Whether it will survive up until March when it gets colder, we'll see. Hi, Casper. This is my pot of bamboo. It looks pretty dead right now, but it'll start growing again soon. I've just moved a few things around, so I've got the cold frame there. That's the table, it needs a clean. And there's my strawberry tower. It kind of fell apart a bit as it got moved, just one plank of wood that rotted away that I need to replace. And this is the rotting piece of wood. I've just kept it for now just to measure the right size. I'm going to put back in there. I put plastic at the bottom just because we've got mare's tail quite bad and I do not want mare's tail in my strawberry tower. Still got plenty of grass for Casper to run around. There's my apple tree. There's my flower bed I need to weed still. There's all the lovely house leeks. Each little clump was one house leek last summer. It's just spread that much. Beautiful. And I just noticed I missed a couple of onions. Onions didn't really grow well last year, so they might actually grow in the spring. That's the globe artichoke. This got planted last year, so it's going to get a lot bigger. Greenhouse, I need to put some glass in. It's a little gate to keep Casper out when I want him out. Got 3 main vegetable beds, one at the top where the net is that I haven't already planted in yet. First has my leeks in that I need to hurry up and get the rest of them out. Got 2 rows of garlic. You can hardly see, it's 2 rows of garlic there. One garlic's pushed its way out. I need to put that back in. A purple kale.
And right next to it was lit by green kale, which is tiny. Just looks like weeds from a distance. Next to the greenhouse in this tiny little section, we've got 2 gooseberry bushes. Pineberry bush on the fence there, I think that was. And some strawberries that have spread, which is good because we like strawberries. In the second bed, I've got lots of purple sprouting broccoli with tiny Brussels sprouts. Should start getting purple sprouting broccoli very soon. At the moment, I pull the bottom leaves off that are going to fall off anyway and give them to the chickens. Some spare purple kale I just put in there. This is the third bed that had the sweet corn and the pumpkins in. It was the 2 sisters method. It was going to be the 3 sisters method, but the beans didn't quite germinate. I had 1 bean plant. So this has been left since harvest. Shouldn't take too long to sort it out. This is the 4th bed that I've never planted in yet, but it has got 2 plants in. You can just about see them starting to get buds now. It's 2 honeyberries. The net's there because this is where the chickens used to go.
That was a super quick January pot tour. Hopefully in February and March things might actually look a little bit different and a lot tidier because I've got a few jobs to be doing to tidy up. You sitting down now? Thanks for watching everyone. Bye! Have a kiss. Ah, thank you. Bye! Casper, what have you got? What did you pinch? What have you pinched now? Thank you. What did you do? What did you do?